Everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we're going to unbox a 5th generation iPad mini. This is the A2133 model, in case you're wondering. So yeah, let's take a look. Just delivered from China. Straight from the factory. Ooh, very nice. So there we are, looking good. I don't know when the last time we did an iPad mini. Okay, and here you can see this is the 64 gigabyte silver version, Wi-Fi only, so no SIM card. Okay, let's open it up. It's really hard to get this thing started because it's such a tight fit. And here we are, looking good. Yes, still using Touch ID. I wish the iPhone itself still did that, especially in the days of mask wearing with COVID. Okay, so let's take a look. It's pretty small, especially nowadays with iPhone 12 Pro Max, for example. That's got to be at least like this big. So this is really not that much bigger, but obviously better for tablet stuff. Okay, so let's take a look at the back. I did get it engraved, and I don't want to show the name on here. But you can see, let's see, where's the letter? That's the size of a letter relative to the normal size. So yeah, it's pretty small. Don't expect like giant letters across the back, but that's what it looks like. This is pretty old school. Like if you think about it, this is basically the equivalent of like an iPhone 6, like iPhone 6 Plus, maybe 7. So yeah, a little throwback. And here we are, and the button's still up on top. And there we go. I won't go through all the initialization. You guys have seen that in many other videos. Yeah, so there you go, looking good. I really like the fact that it's got Touch ID. I missed that on the iPhone. Other stuff in the box, not really anything groundbreaking. We have our USB Lightning cable, as always, and we have our warranty card, etc., etc. Probably some Apple stickers in here. And in this case, because we're in Hong Kong, we have the British plug on our USB power supply. It's great that it still comes with this. The iPhones, the new iPhones don't even come with this anymore. And since this is a iPad mini, this is not the biggest power adapter that Apple makes. So this is only a 10-watt one. So it's what, like 2 amps? So yeah, it's not going to power your fast charging on your newest iPhones, but it's good enough for this. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you everyone for joining us yet again, and definitely check out the other videos on the iPad, iPad mini, iPad 2, iPad 3, etc. We have them all. So see you guys next time. Bye. Everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we have an iPhone 12 Pro, hot off the presses. I just picked it up at the Apple Store. It is the morning of the release, the 23rd of October.